Hi there guys, and welcome back to another Tom Voyage video. So today Ooni have released a new digital infrared thermometer. So I've got one here, we're going to unbox it, give it a try and let you know what's new. Let's go. So here we have the thermometer in the box. So straight away you've got some instructions here. There's the thermometer, feels nice and robust. You also get two AAA batteries with it. They're Duracell ones as well, so good quality. And then this, which is like a carabiner hook for hanging this thermometer on your table. So to put the batteries in, all you do is unscrew the bottom, take out this little bit here, insert one battery, insert the next one, and then pop it back in. Easy peasy. So to turn it on, you just press the button and it springs into life. So there's a nice big display on here. I like that, it's going to be nice and easy to read. And looking at the buttons here, this one turns the laser on and off. This one changes it between Celsius and Fahrenheit, depending on which one you use. So this button in the middle here changes between standard mode and essentials mode. You can see standard mode shows minimum and maximum temperatures along with the colour wheel. Then essentials mode just shows the colour wheel with the temperature. The display is nice and bright and it shows here a colour wheel to indicate whereabouts or how hot your pizza oven is. So it's on orange there at 222. And then at 428 the colour wheel is all the way in the red, which shows you're ready to be able to cook a pizza. So this carabiner clip just goes on like that, turns around and you've got a handy hook to hang your thermometer. So this thermometer has another feature called emissivity mode. Now emissivity measures the amount of energy radiated from a material's surface. So in the case of this digital thermometer, it measures thermal energy. It's kind of complicated how it works, so if you want more information I'll leave a link in the description where you can find out more. But basically it helps you determine an accurate temperature whether it's a smooth surface or a rough surface. Now this is the emissivity mode setting, and as you can see it's currently set to 95, and that's what it defaults to, which is the basic smoothness of an Ooni pizza stone. Another feature I like about this thermometer is the tracking mode. If you click and hold the button and move the thermometer from left to right, it'll actually measure the temperature at different areas on the pizza stone. So Ooni recommends that you use this at a distance of 30 to 50 centimeters away from the surface that you want the temperature reading. That's good because I've seen people use these before too close and it actually melts the front, so yeah, keep it a good distance away. It's accurate too, and it falls within the range of an accuracy between 4 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius. Now at around £50 it is at the more expensive end of the scale. You can get thermometers similar to this off Amazon for around £15 to £20. But they don't come with all the features, they miss out that emissivity mode, and to be honest I've used some of those myself and they've broken after about a year, so you get what you pay for. To get your hands on one of these yourself, I'll leave the links in the description. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below, and please join us next time for more pizza making videos. See you later.